Hi guys, this is Jaden. Today I'm in the factory. Let me show you a fantastic machine, Lonking CDM6080 Pro Excavator. Let's take a close look. First, look at its appearance. It has a sleek, sturdy design. The classic Lonking logo on the front is very recognizable. The whole body is well made, and the track is solid and durable, fit for various work scenarios. Let's move to the cab. It has a closed design with large glass, giving the operator a good view. You can clearly see the controller and button on the side. The machine's rear has a simple structure, beautiful and easy for daily maintenance. This is a Lonking excavator bucket, a key attachment for Lonking hydraulic excavator. It features high-strength steel construction, optimized the design for excellent bucket breakout force and durability. As you can see, every details of Lonking CDM6080 is carefully designed. It's stylish in appearance and practical in structure. It has a Yanmar low-noise engine, powerful and energy-saving, plus a one-key start for more intelligence. That's all for today's introduction. The Lonking CDM6080 is a great excavator with appearance and performance. If you are interested, please contact me. Bye bye.